the Seattle Mariners have another injury to face, this time to slugger Nelson Cruz. The Mariners' designated hitter left early Saturday's game against the Cleveland Indians because of a sprained ankle on his right ankle. Cruz suffered the injury after slipping on the dugout steps after hitting a two-run homer in the sixth inning. It was Cruz's second homer in the same number of games. But Cruz's status is now in doubt. Although the X-rays after the game were negative, Cruz was in a protective boot after the game and will undergo an MRI on Sunday. "When I heard that, I wanted to throw up," said Mariners manager Scott Servais. "I really do not know another way to say it. Our club just fought a lot of persistent injuries here in spring training and at the start of the season here." Cruz's injury is only the last for the Mariners, who placed wide receiver Mike Zunino obliquely on the 10-day disabled list on Friday. Zunino joined starter Erasmo Ramirez shoulder, reliever David Phelps elbow and outfielder Ben Gamel obliquely on the disabled list.